Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. How are you doing? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hopefully, all is well. Hopefully, all is good. Let's see. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. About to get started in one moment. Really, bro? Good morning, everyone. How you doing? How you doing? Great morning to everybody. Getting started. Let's go. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. If you're on Instagram, you want to see my screen, jump onto my YouTube channel. The link is in my bio. The link is in my bio. The link is in my bio. If you want to see my screen, the link is in my bio. Jump on in. How's everybody doing this morning? All right. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Listen, this market is going up and down, up and down. Good morning, Miss Sullivan. Good morning, straight off the dome. Good morning, Samantha L. Good morning, Miss Charmaine. When does the accelerated program start? It starts on Monday. Accelerated program starts on Monday. Miss Sonia Woods, good morning. What's up, Billy? What's going? Good morning, Circus City. Good morning, TT. Good morning, Brianna, 1971. Good morning, Miss Felton. Good morning, Miss K. Good morning, Facebook user. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, Miss Billy Williams. My volume is low. What about now? Is that better? Good morning, Ronald. Good morning, Mr. Martley. Good morning, Gregory. How you doing? And Mr. Martley. Good morning. Let's go. All right, everybody, listen. Good morning, Jay Shee. Good morning, Charlie Pooh Music. Let's go, man. All right, if you're on Instagram, you want to see my screen right now, jump on over to my YouTube channel. If you're on Instagram, you want to see my screen, jump on over to my YouTube channel. Listen, let's break down this market right quick, man. This market is crazy. I'm gonna be honest with you. This market is crazy. On Monday, it tore me on Monday. Not necessarily tore me. I think it hit me for like 900, so I lost like 900 on Monday. It's crazy. It's crazy. Yeah. Yesterday, yesterday I actually did not get into the a trade I was looking at, but if I would have gotten into that trade, definitely wouldn't have played out like I wanted to play out. But it actually did would have played out honestly. It just took longer to play out. So one second, Asher, get from over there, buddy. Come back over here. Come back. Use one of these scooters. Come back over here. Oh no, no, don't bring that bike, buddy. Get your scooter. So it went up to the top of the supply zone, rejected the top of the supply zone, then it fell down. Right. I was more so looking forward to hit that 50% mark of the supply zone, then fall back down. But it definitely came back down. Just took a while longer than expected. But you know, it happened. So if you're on Instagram, you want to see my screen, go ahead and the link is in my bio. You can jump on over to my YouTube channel. But let's get started, man. Let's see what this market is going. What's going on with this market right now? This market has fallen down, but it has fallen to an area that, in this area that it's fallen to, is a strong area that has been a strong area for the past, probably for the past few days. I want to say, for the past few days, I want to say. Let's take a look at this right quick. All right, let's break down these. Let's look at these stock futures first. And yes, we can look at the stock futures on. We can look at the stock futures on the actual market, but I just like going here just so you guys can kind of see it clearly. Okay, just so you guys can see it clearly. All right, so right here we have. All right, so okay, so the Dow only down 62. It's not bad. Okay, Dow only down 62 points. But this is the concerning part. Okay, the Dow is only down 62 points right here. All right, but the concerning part is this: the S&P 500 is down 20 points. That's concerning. Normally if the Dow is down, if the S&P is down 20 points, the Dow is probably almost down 100 and some odd points. But in this case, the S&P is actually only down 20 points, and the Dow is only down 56 points. Normally, the Dow will be down like 150, 200 points, and then the S&P will be down 20 points. That's normally how it goes. So that's something interesting to watch, okay? Now, take a look at the NASDAQ, okay? Let's go down to the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ is down 100 points. 100 points. The NASDAQ is down, okay? That's crazy. The NASDAQ is down more than the Dow Jones. You barely see the NASDAQ being down more than the Dow Jones. The Dow Jones is normally always leading the way. So right now, what this is showing us that people are shredding from those tech stocks. Okay? People are moving out of tech stocks right now for some reason. We got to look into it and figure out what in the world is going on. Okay? All right, and we see the Russell is down 12 points. Okay? The Russell is down 12 points. Hey, but stop that. Calm down. All right? So let's keep going. Let's take a look at this thing. So that's interesting to me. All right? The NASDAQ just shredded overnight. The NASDAQ shredded overnight, and that's very, very interesting. So let's jump into this market. Let's kind of see exactly what's kind of going on with this market. All right? Asher, stop up, bud. You want to go back in the house? Okay, well, stop. All right? So let's take a look and see. Let me share this screen. And let's get started. All right. Let's take a look at everything. The market is opening it will open in 3 minutes. And if you're on Instagram, you want to see my screen, jump on over to my YouTube channel. You can see my YouTube channel. You can see my screen on my YouTube channel. The link is in my bio. Okay? The link is in my bio. Ash, get off that chair, buddy. I told you I got like baby kids, man. Huh? Okay, don't go back in that chair, buddy. Mom's gonna get you. All right, so check this out. Right here on spot, this is the 15-minute time frame. I'm going to come right here. Let me get that over. You see, I got a lot of lines right here, as you can see. I'm kind of clear some of these. I'm gonna keep my zones because these supply zones and demand zones are still valid right now. Still valid. Been valid for a few days now. So let me release some of these lines. Price level. These are the pivots from yesterday. Price level. Boom, boom, boom. Drawing. Remove drawing. All right. Here we go. All right. These are levels from yesterday. Okay. Now, come right here. I'm going to extend this out. This is a demand zone from yesterday. I want to extend this out to over here. All right. So 1 second. There we go. Okay. So here we go. So as we can see right now, yesterday the stock came through right here to a supply zone. Okay, came to a supply zone. All right. Now when it came to the top of the supply zone, it pushed hard down, right? Straight down. Stop, buddy. It pushed hard down. Stop. Okay. Now when it pushed straight down, the next thing that happened was it kind of came down here and it stopped right here, right? Now this same supply zone overnight, we were in the supply zone, and right now we're pushing down towards this demand zone again. Now the thing about it is, yesterday doing pre-market. This is what I want you guys to focus on. Right here yesterday during pre-market, the stock market did the same thing. It fell down, but it actually came all the way down to the demand zone before the market opened. Okay, before the market opened, it came down to the demand zone. Right now, it's down to this 430. What is this level? 430. What is that? Is it moving? Okay, yeah. 434.17. Okay. Came down to this 434.15 level. And right now, that's where we currently are. All right. Now, let me jump over to QQQ right quick. This is the interesting thing. QQQ has fallen from 368.20 to 365.60. A $3 move to the downside on QQQ. Okay, a $3 move on the downside on QQQ, which is very, 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 very interesting. We see yesterday, this was right here, this point right here, support yesterday. Okay, this was a strong level of support yesterday right here on QQQ. So that'd be interesting to see if we go back down there. Okay, be interesting to see if we go back down there. My phone is about to die. 1 second. And if you're on Instagram, you want to see my screen, jump on over to my YouTube channel. Now, let's go back to SPY right quick. All right. So, boom, the market is open. So, what I'm holding to right now is I'm holding to my supply and demand zones. These are my same supply and demand zones from yesterday. And as you can see, if I go back right here to the 1 hour time frame, you will see that this supply zone has been kept since, what is this? October 10th. Okay, 8 days ago. This supply zone has not been broken for 8 days. So now you think to yourself, when we finally break this level, we can be going up somewhere, right? But if we break beneath this demand zone, we can be going down somewhere. So that's where we currently are right now. And as you can see, from a couple days ago, we were here, fell down some, came back in, fell down, came back in, fell down, came back in, fell down, came back in, fell down. Mary J. Blige is really doing her thing right now. Okay? Mary J. Blige is really doing her thing right now. I'm going down. All right? Now, breaking this 430.50 level, that's going to be interesting. Basically, if we break 430, okay? Breaking 430 can take us right back down to this right back down to the bottom of 420. Okay? A break of that 430 could take us back down to the bottom of that 420 over the course of a few days or maybe a week or so. Okay, definitely possible. A break of this 438, we're going straight to 440 and see if we're going back into the low 440s. All right, see if we're going back into the low 440s. See this 4 hour time frame right quick. Okay, I personally believe, and I could definitely be wrong, but I personally believe that we are still going. I think we still have more room to go down. It is the earnings season, but I do feel like we have more room to go down. Okay, definitely feel like we got more room to go down. Stop what? Okay, so let me clear out this trend line. This is an old trend line. Is it an old trend line? It broke through but came right back to it. I'm gonna let it stay there for a second. So I look on a 4 hour time frame. Let that trend line stay there for a moment. All right. So on my screen, or on this particular screen, the really only thing I have is my supply and demand zone. The reason why I only have my supply and demand zones is because I'm playing out of a supply zone or out of a demand zone. That's the only reason why. Okay? Only reason why.
Now let's get this number
For real. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, let's go down to this market. See what the 5 minute, 15 minutes doing. 15 is sitting here. 5 minutes. All right, this is the 5 minute time frame. So right now, this is what I like to call this area right now. I call this no man's land. That's what I like to call this area. I call it no man's land. Chris, why do you call it no man's land? Anytime we're in between supply zone and demand zone, I call it no man's land because it can go either up or down. Okay, it can go either up or down. And personally, I like to stay far away from it as possible. Okay, I stay as far away from it as possible when it's in that no man's zone. I do think personally we have more we have more room to go to the downside. But at the same time, right? At the same time, yesterday, right here on yesterday, this big bounce right here went crazy. So we do know buyers are down here somewhere. Okay, buyers are down here somewhere. Stop it. Buyers are down. What's that? Let me take this board down.
That was no.
You failed the test, brother. I tried to give you a chance. Come on. Come on. All right, I'm back. Okay. So right here yesterday was strong, 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 strong. Okay, it was very strong, very strong, and it bounced off of this level right here, went crazy. So we do know buyers are around. Okay, we do know buyers are around. It's not just we selling, 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 selling. These weird phone calls. Okay, so we know it's not just sell, 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 sell pressure. We definitely have a lot of buying pressure down here as well, right around this area as well. So the buyers are there. Okay, so right now, that's why I point out today. Today, when the market opened, back to the 15-minute, small little things you guys can kind of start to check out, right? Today, when the market opened, we came down to this 433 level. Yesterday, when the market opened, we was at that 432 level. So what does that show us? It shows during pre-market, we are still what? We're up, 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 up. We're pushing. We bought in 2 hours, $2 ahead of what we bought in yesterday. Okay, so that shows that buyers were buying in heavily. Okay, they bought in bought in earlier. All right. So interesting to watch. What in the world is going on in my system? All right, there we go. This is where we are right now. Right here close to the supply zone. See if we're going to push down and run back down to the top of the supply zone right here. That's a possibility. Okay. Me personally, I do not get into trades before. I do not get into trades before 10 o'clock for the most part, unless I just see something that's so amazing to me. Right now, I absolutely do not see anything that's amazing to me. Okay, I don't see anything that is amazing to me. All right. All right, look at this rejection right here, candlestick so far. Holding strong with this level though, right down here. Let's see how it plays out. Okay, let's see what the other big boards are doing. What's QQQ doing? Is it still falling? Nope, QQQ kind of held strong too. It's holding for a moment. Pushed up right here. So we did have a heavy push up on QQQ, but then we also had a heavy rejection on QQQ as well. So looking to see how that plays out. See what we got. Yeah, the master tricks, please. The master course is it's it's a live course. It's a live course. It's a live course. But the replays are available right now. The replays are available. Okay. Look at this rejection candlestick, everybody. This is a rejection candlestick, right? We call this a rejection candlestick. But what we need to see is we need to see this candlestick right here. If we're going to the downside, we want to see this candlestick break this area right around here. This is the pre-market low, if I'm not mistaken. Yep. This is the pre-market low. All right, that's the pre-market low right here. That means during pre-market from the hours of for SPY, during the hours of like since 12 to now, this was the lowest the stock price has been. So if the stock goes beneath this level right here, that's a possibility that the stock is going to go down. We want to see it break this level, reject this level and push down for to go down. If it's going up, you need to basically stay above this level, bounce off of this level, and then start coming into this zone right here. All right, start coming into that zone. All right. Oh man, come on. All right, so we coming to break it. We coming to attack this level again. We're coming to attack this level again. Now, normally, since how the market's been going from supply to demand, supply to demand, supply to demand, supply to demand. So to keep this thing going that direction, we will see the stock will have to come down to this demand zone. Now, it can go into the demand zone, or it can bounce off the demand zone, but you will want to see the stock go into that particular demand zone, because right now, we just been trading inside of a box. That's all we've been doing is trading inside of a box. All right, take a look at everybody. Watch the price action off this level. Will this level be a level of support? We're finding out right now if this level is a level of support. We're finding out right now if the buyers, right, if the buyers are moving from down here at this demand zone up here to this level right here. Okay, are they starting to increase? Are they starting to buy in earlier? Okay, that's what we're about to find out right now. Because if we break this level, we're probably going back down here to this demand zone. Staying above this level, though, will give us some indication of, okay, are the buyers moving up? Okay, if the buyers are moving up, that means they're coming closer and closer to the sellers. And sooner or later, the buyers or the sellers, one of them have to win, because we've been inside this box since October 10th. Okay, this is where people lose the majority of their money at. All right, like I always say people lose the majority of their money when the stock market is going like it's doing right now, because most people are still trying to figure out. Most people are trying to trend trade when it's not time to trend trade. It's time to trade like from supply and demand. It's more so scalps or more so small day trades. All right. So for example, right here, if I look at this 1 hour time frame, right? Go back to the 10th. We came right here on the 10th. But look right here. What happened here? Right here, starting on basically October the 4th, we had a nice little movement, boom, nice run up. Nice 1 day, 2 day, 3 day run up. We had a strong 3 day run up. Now, off of that 3 day, now for that nice 3 day run up, 1 second. Now for that nice 3 day run up, we had consolidation that just happened. Consolidation just happened. Consolidation. Strong push up. Then consolidation. That was it. Strictly it. Okay? Okay? All right. Let's jump back and see what SPY just did. Let's see the SPY make a move. So let me say that again so I make sure you guys understand what I just said. A lot of people make money off of this 1 day push up, 2 day push up, 3-day push up. A lot of money made right here. A lot of money made right here. The issue comes in when we get right here, it's consolidation time. And it's pushed up right here as well. Nice push up. But it's consolidation time. Consolidation time. Look how we're trading inside of a box. We're not moving up. We're not going down. We're just going up, down, up, down, up, down. And that's where people start to lose all the money they just made, right? All the money they literally just made on this 3-day run up. People lose money right here because they don't understand that, hey, listen, the market is changing. And the market doesn't just change in a couple days, you can see it start changing. The market hits a level and another level, and it just stops right then and there. And we're trying to continue to trade up in this upward trend, but the upward trend has been over. And therefore, boom, we start losing money. Okay? It happens to the best of them. Booyah, here we go. Now, we're breaking through. Okay? We're breaking through right now. Let's see if we stay underneath or do we continue or we push back up above. All right, we're pushing back in. Watch this price action, everybody. Look at the price action. Look how we broke beneath and then we broke down here. We pushed. Look at that price action. Who is pushing? Why is this candlestick pushing back up right here? That's the question, right? Why is this candlestick right here pushing back up? Let's see what it does. Because we're trying to find out right now, are the buyers right here or are they still down here? That's what we're trying to figure out. Look at that. Look at this. Everybody, this is very important. This is very important. This is important price action, everybody. But one thing, this is what you got to notice now. So this is what you got to notice now. But this is very important. Listen up. So right now, we see that we broke through here and pushed back up. Okay. What I call on the 15-minute time frame, I call when the candlestick comes to the 9 EMA, it's called the moment of truth. I call it the moment of truth on the 15-minute time frame. Chris, why is this called the moment of truth? Because if we reject this 9 EMA and push back down here, we're putting more selling pressure. But if we break above this 9 EMA, now we're putting buying pressure. Okay? So right now we're at the 9 EMA. We're at a strong support level. We're at this 9 EMA could be a resistance level for us as well. Let's see how it plays through. Let's see how it plays through. Let's see if this candlestick starts to go up, 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 grow, grow, or does it reject and go down, 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 and turn red and turn a big boy red candlestick. Let's see what happens. This is price action, everybody. So what I want you guys to understand is if you're a day trader right now, you know this level is a strong level of support. So the longer we're on this level right here, the stronger the next move is going to be. Listen to what I'm telling you, especially if you're a scalper. If you're somebody that's going to scalp and say, hey, I'm going to be a scalper. I'm going to be a scalper today. Perfect play is about to happen for you, okay? It's going to be a strong play off of this zone up into the supply zone. You can make a quick scalp, a quick almost dollar scalp if you want to, okay? Now, if you're scalping to the downside and it breaks beneath this level, in other words, the retest is rejected, it's going to be a strong, probably big boy candlestick down to the bottom. Make a quick 30 cent, 40, 50 cent scalp. Get on out. That's what a scalp is about. Okay? So, prime opportunity coming up. Prime opportunity is coming up. Prime opportunity is coming up. Okay, so we're rejecting some right now. Let's see how the 5 minute looks. Let's see how the 5 minute. This is how the 5 minutes looking right now. Matter of fact, let me put this thing inside of a better box. Look at this box right here. Let me get rid of this trend line. I don't even need that right now. Trend line, go. Look at this box right here on the 5 minute time frame. Top of the box, can't break, can't break, can't break, can't break. Boom, fall down to the bottom of the box. Push back up to the top of the box. can't break, fall back down to the bottom of the box. Push back up to the top of the box, fall down, cannot break. Falls down, cannot break. Everybody, right now, we're trading inside of a box on the 5-minute time frame. And what time is it, everybody? Somebody put in the chat. If you was in any one of my masterminds, look at the screen right now. We're trading inside of a box. And what time is it on the 5-minute time frame? Somebody put in the chat. 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 Let's see if you guys see it. It's decision-making time. It's decision-making time inside of a box. So what is that? We're dating inside of walls. We're dating inside of the walls. Ronald say the VIX is going up. Ronald, is the VIX going towards a supply resistance level? Check and see if the VIX is going towards a resistance level, Ronald. There you go. Yep, it's decision-making time. Exactly. Inside of a box. Go to the 15-minute time frame right quick. Boom. Look at the 15-minute time frame, everybody. The 15-minute time frame is telling us a tad bit different story, everybody. The 15-minute time frame is telling us a tad bit different story. The 15-minute time frame is telling us what? It was decision-making time up here. It fell down, came back to the owner, fell down, shot up here, pushed back down again. The 15-minute time frame is telling us the green line is already going down. What the 1 hour telling us right now? Look at the 1 hour. Look at the 1 hour. The 1 hour. Look at the 1 hour. It's decision-making time all the way up here throughout the morning. Now the green line has already to do what? Already decided to go down. Already decided to go down. What is it telling us, everybody? Let me put these charts, these 3 charts, so you can see everything. The 3 charts. Come on. All right, there we go. There we go. This is the 5-minute over here, everybody. This is the 15-minute right here. This is the 1 hour right here. Take a look at it. Look how it's looking. But we have to break through this level. We have to break through this level. We got to break through it. We got to break through it. Look how this level's holding, everybody. Look how it's holding. It's holding very, very, very strong. Very, very, very strong. Scalpers, this is your time. If you're scalping, your moment is about to come. If you're scalping, your moment is about to come. My pre-plays, none of my pre-plays have been hit yet. My pre-plays are entries off the bottom of this demand zone. I want to see price action off the bottom of this demand zone or the 50% mark inside the supply zone. Those are my entry points. Okay? If my play doesn't happen, I won't make the trade. Look at this price action right now. Look at this price action right here. Look at this price action. This is amazing. This is beautiful. Where are the wicks at? I always talk about the wicks. Where are the wicks? Are the wicks at the bottom of the top, everybody? Are the wicks at the bottom of the top? The wicks are up here at the top. The wicks at the top. Meaning what? That means the sellers are selling, meaning the buyers attempted to push up, the sellers are pushing down. Right now, if I wasn't sticking to my plan, I will be entering into puts with a stop loss right here. I will be entering into puts right now with the stop loss right here. But I'm a person, I stick to my actual trading, my trading strategy, right? So right here on the screen, I will be entering in two puts right now, and I will have a stop loss set right here. That would be my play. Okay? That would be my play. That would be my play. Stop loss at the top of this candlestick. If you lose on this particular play, get out with a small loss. Get out with like a less than a 50-cent loss. Okay? That's a play that I would make. So let me show what my stop loss would be. Where is it? My stop loss would be right here. Boom. This would be my stop loss. Edit. Put that as purple. Booyah. So that would be my stop loss right there. Now, right now, the buyers, this is heavy right here, everybody. This is a very heavy level. This is a very heavy level. Let's see if we reject through here or do we break above. Let's see. It broke above, so boom, would have been stopped out with a small 50-cent loss. This is nice. Look at this. Lord have mercy. Look at this. The buyers are here, everybody. The buyers are here. The buyers are here. The buyers are here. Let's see. The buyers are here, but those sellers right there too. You see it? So I hope you guys see this price action. This price action right now is showing sellers, buyers, sellers, and buyers, sellers, and buyers. I hope you guys see. Do you see this price action? Do you see this battle that's going between the buyers and the sellers? Yep, the GOAT. We stuck in that range. We stuck there. We literally stuck there right now. Look at that rejection. Look at the rejection. But now we rejected. Okay, we rejected. But what happened? We coming right back down here to where the buyer's at. It's like Venus and Serena playing a tennis match right now. It's like you got Venus down here, you got Serena up here, and they playing a tennis match. Who's going to win the tennis match? Because every time Serena hit the ball to Venus, Venus hit it back to Serena. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Okay? Hey, that would have been horrible to get stopped out. That would have been horrible to get stopped out right here. That been one of the moments like, man, the system know what I got going on, man. I got into a put. Next thing you know, I set my stop loss right here. The system came and grabbed my stop loss and then went on right back down, right? That would have been horrible. Horrible. 1 second. Man, that would have been horrible. Interesting. Let's look at the 5 minutes. See how the 5 minutes looking. Look at this 5-minute time frame right here. All right, if you're on YouTube right now, hit that like button. Hit the like button on YouTube. Hit the like button on YouTube. Chris, do you recommend switching from a margin account for scalper day traders? I can't afford to waste a trade on a 50-cent loss. Chris, do you recommend switching from a margin account for scalpers, such day traders? I can't afford to waste a trade on a 50% loss. Do I recommend you switching from a margin account for scalpers? Switching from a margin account for scalpers. I'm not understanding that question, Norman. I'm sorry. If you can if you can reiterate that to me, I appreciate it. Now look at this, everybody. Look at the 5 minute. Let's look at this story the 5 minutes telling us right now. The 5 minutes kind of telling us a story. Red, green candlestick, green candlestick, green candlestick, green candlestick, green candlestick, green candlestick. This right here was a little bit higher though. Interesting, right? This one kind of ended a little bit higher. Just watch the price action, everybody. Right now, with this price action, we're not sure if it's going up or down right now because we're in between two strong levels. Okay, we're in between two strong levels. Okay, in between two strong levels. But what we know from previous, since about 5:30 this morning, whenever the stock is up here, it falls down to here. Whenever it's down here, it goes up to there. Whenever it's up there, it falls down to here. Whenever it's up there, it falls down to here. Right? So based upon the data from 5:30 this morning, we should be bouncing up, right? But now we're in the actual market with more volume in the market than previous than right here. Uh-oh. There it goes, everybody. There it goes, party people. There it goes. Let's see if it stays, though. It fell, but let's see if it stays. Let's go back to the charts. Look here. Look how I was looking. Look there. Got to be more careful. Look at it. There it blows. I told you, scalpers. All you scalpers, I told you it was go time. It was go time. Granted, you can see, like I say, it was go time, but granted, you can see the point where I said I would have gotten in, it came back and hit me with a stop loss, right? So sometimes you may have to expand your stop loss a tad bit out, right? That's all part of the practicing process. That's why I always tell you, hey, listen, 100 trades, 100 trades, 100 trades, 100 trades. Do 100 paper trades so you can get comfortable with where you want to place your stop loss and all those things, okay? All of those things. Granted, I shouldn't have placed my stop loss right there anyway because that candlestick hadn't closed yet. That candlestick had not closed yet, so I shouldn't even place my stop loss right there. But that's a different story. Now, boom, fell through and it's pushing back up. Who keep pushing this thing back up? Who's pushing this thing back up, everybody? Buyers are pushing it back up. Buyers are pushing this back up. The sellers did a strong push down, and these buyers pushed it right back up. Now it's retesting. It's a retest time. It's a retest time. But that stock didn't stay down that long, everybody. That stock did not stay down at this 433.18 area very long. Buyers are around here, and they're strong buyers. It's literally you got a tennis match going on between some strong people. And this is a good thing. You can see all three: the hour, the 15-minute, the 5-minute. Good to see all three. And that big drop was from the 10 o'clock bell. That 10 o'clock move hit. I made it a drop. Get out of town. BMW to adopt Tesla's EV charging standard. Whoa. Everybody. Let's take a pause break right quick. And let's talk about this right quick. Holy crap. Look at this. Let's take a pause break right quick. Holy crap. Did y'all just Let's take a pause minute. No, let's go back. We gotta go back right quick. This market, this is crazy. Look, y'all see this price action. Look at this price action. Look at this price action. Big push down. Big push right back up. Power scalping, everybody. That's why I said scalpers. I didn't say day traders. I said scalpers. Get in and get out. Woo. Get in and get out. But it's all good. So this is the thing about it. We're back up here. What is this telling us, everybody? It's telling us something. It's telling us that these buyers are not playing. But at the same time, we know the sellers are not playing. So it's telling you just be patient and wait for this move. And what is the main thing it's telling you? The play is going to, if you're a day trader, if you're a scalper, the play is inside of this box. Okay? But if you are a day trader, the play is on the outside of the box. Okay? The play is on the outside of the box. Me personally, and I could be completely wrong, but me personally, with how the buyers are around here, until this candlestick closes above the 9 EMA, the sellers are still in control. The buyers are not playing now. The buyers are buying in. But until we cross above this 9 EMA on the 15-minute time frame, the sellers are still in control. Okay? The sellers are still in control. This price action is ridiculous. It's crazy though. It's beautiful. And also, take a look at this candlestick right here, everybody. This candlestick was just red, right? It was just red. Now take a look right here. What we talked about in the mastermind. If anybody's here on here from the mastermind, in the mastermind, that's what we talked about, right? Entry points, right? Potential bullish entry points. Look at this right here. Look at this breakdown, everybody. Now, a moment ago, that candlestick we just saw on that screen was red, right? Big boy red candlestick. Then look what happened to it. This took the second stage of it happened. And the third stage of it happened, right? Now we're right here on this third stage. Will stage 4 and stage 5 happen? Right? You guys see that? So that candlestick was right here. It went to right here. Right now it's right there. We want to see if this fourth stage and this fifth stage is going to happen. Let's see what happens. Got to be more careful. Holy crap. Look at this thing. Whoa, what's up with my screen? Lord have mercy. Look at this. Whoa, the buyers are in control. Whoa, it just shot through that 9 EMA and went crazy. Lord have mercy. Whoa, look at that. Let's see what QQQ doing. Holy crap. That's awesome. Look at this. Wow. Wow, that's QQQ. Let's see. Now, what does the data tell us, though? The data tells us when we come to the top of this box, what happens? We push back down. Remember, scalping, the play is inside the box. Day trader, the play is outside of the box. Look, what is going on? Good geesh Louise. This is some price action for you. Anybody get into any trades? I just came in. What are you trading this morning? Just looking at SPY and yeah, Reese. That's crazy. Wow. Volume is low in that 15-minute. Boom, boom. Since I had a small account, I'm okay. Got it. Since I have a small account, I'm only allowed 3-day trades in a 5-day span. So if I put a trade in and exit with a tight stop loss, I waste one of my 3 trades. So listen, Norman, that's false. Okay, that's false. You can make unlimited trades. All right. If you have TD Ameritrade, what I want you to do is you have to go to TD Ameritrade and you have to apply. You want to make sure you have a tier 2 cash only account. Tier 2 cash only account. Okay. Oh, Kevion already owned it. Good stuff, Kevion. Good stuff. Yep. So exactly, you want to trade. You want to change your account to a cash only account. Yep, you want a cash only account, no matter what. Yeah, we don't do that 3 day rule. That 3 day rule thing. That don't we don't rock like that. We need to make trades. What it's like 3 trades in a 5 day period. Yeah, we don't rock like that. I did and got ate up on the stop out of 350. What you using QQQ got rod? Yeah, the price. This price action is right now is crazy. We look look how the buyers bought all the way back in. Remember, I personally say the sellers are still in control until the 9 EMA this candlestick closes above the 9 EMA. Can you explain that more about the play inside the box for scalpers and the play outside the box for day traders? Yes. So this is the thing about it. As a day trader, you're looking to be in a trade for about, you're looking to be in a trade for some time, maybe like a hour, 30 minutes, an hour, 2 hours, whatever, right? So right now, we see that we've been inside of this box since 5:30 this morning. Okay. And with us being inside of this box since 5:30 this morning, we know as day traders that there's no play inside of this box for us because we can't make money inside this box and being in a trade for 30 minutes or an hour. We just be going up and down, up and down, up and down. And that's just going to take money from us. But for a scalper, right? For a scalper, the play is inside the box because we see that when it hits the top of the box, it goes down to the bottom of the box. Hit the bottom of the box, goes to the top of the box. Comes from the top of the box down to the bottom of the box, from the bottom of the box to the top of the box, from the top of the box to the bottom of the box, from the bottom of the box to the top of the box, right here, from the top of the box to the bottom of the box. So you have a dollar range that you can scalp from. So when it broke through here, that's why I said a 30, 40, 50 cent scalp. Boom, 30, 40, 50 cent scalp. You win that trade, you out that trade. When it came back up here to the bottom of the box, boom. The data tells us from the bottom of the box is going to where? The top of the box. So the scalp would have been from the bottom to the top, boom, exit at the top. Because we're trading inside of a box. We're trading inside of a box until the candlestick is broken, until one of these positions are broken, and it holds that when it comes up for the retest and starts to push back down. Okay? So a day trader's play would not be to enter until the stock breaks the top of it and hold, or breaks the bottom of it and hold. Okay? But now you got to ask yourself this question though. You got to say, what is the actual play though? Okay? For a day trader, I personally do not buy plays inside of a supply zone or a demand zone. So I wouldn't buy a call in this demand zone or the supply zone. So granted, the main play that I would possibly play, I would mainly only play a break to the downside. I wouldn't play anything, me personally, this is just me personally, I wouldn't play anything to the upside because it's a big old supply zone up here. Okay? I'll be more so looking to play a rejection off of this, down to this demand zone, quick get out. Okay? Maybe be in that trade for 15, 20 minutes and get out. Okay? And like I said previously, I personally believe right now this stock is going, the market is still going down and the sellers are still in control until the 9 EMA closes, the candlestick closes above the 9 EMA. Go check on your brother. Okay? Does that make sense? Hopefully I didn't confuse you with that. Huh? He's okay. Okay, but I love you. All right. Where's the chat box? What happened to the chat box? Hold on. Oh, the chat box right here. I'm sorry, everybody. Cancel that. Boom. All right, we back here. Push this up. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay, got it. Took a sale on US 30 before the open. Good stuff, Brandon. Good stuff, Brandon. My pivot may not look like yours. Use your pivot calculator, but doesn't seem like I have the same level. Oh no, those are not pivots, Rod. Those are just those are not pivots. Those are just boxes. Your levels of resistance and support. They're not my pivots. Da, da, da. Once you using cash account, then it's about your budgeting. Yep, that's absolutely correct. But just look at this pressure, everybody. Look at this pressure. It's more pressure to the downside. But this is the thing about it, everybody. This is why I'm telling you to be very, very patient. Be patient. Be patient and let the play. Okay, let me break this down. Be patient and let the stock tell you what it's going to do right now. Okay? Right now, we're attempting to break through. But we can't break through because these buyers are here and they are here strong. But these sellers are right here, everybody. Like, the sellers are right here. The buyers are right here. They're within $1 range from each other. Okay? I believe because we have this big old supply zone up here, I think, yeah, I got you. Here you go. Okay, it should be back on. I believe that we may be still pushing down some because this supply zone is just huge. But these buyers are not playing right now, okay? These buyers are not playing. Okay? All right, everybody. So, let me just break down what I'm about to break down with this Tesla thing right quick. Everybody, this is crazy. BMW just said it's adopting Tesla's EV charging station standards. Okay, I'm gonna look deeper into it and find out exactly what that means. But good geesh, everybody. Tesla runs the EV market. Okay, Tesla runs the EV market, and with Tesla running this EV market, everyone that's attempting to go into the EV market. What's up, buddy? Okay, hold on 1 second, okay? Okay, hold on 1 second, all right? Want to go back in the house? All right, hold on 1 second. So everyone that's attempting to get into this EV market, it's not gonna work, son. I'm gonna come in and turn on in a second, okay? All right, check on your brother. Make sure he's good.
He's okay.
Okay, check again. Take my phone with you. All right, buddy's staying home from school today. All right, so everyone that's coming into this EV market, right? Everyone that's coming into this EV market, they're trying to do it on their own, but they let me put this, they tried to do it on their own. Point in case last year, 2021, 2022, 2020, and they realized that Tesla's just this far, way more advanced than what they ever could be. Basically, they're saying Tesla has the blueprint, so why am I trying to do this myself? Everybody, what does that do for Tesla? No, I don't need no nanny, man. I don't need a nanny. But what does that do for Tesla? Listen, the thing about it, I love it. I love being able to take care of the kids at the house, right? It's a blessing. This is a blessing. This is what we asked for, right? This is what we asked for. So, but what does that do for Tesla, everybody? This is what it does for Tesla. It truly makes Tesla the biggest of all big. Okay, I'm finna come and check him out. Okay? Come on. No. You go back in there. Come on. I'm coming in there with you right now. Okay? Tell him, matter of fact, come here. Tell everybody hey. Tell everybody say hey. Say hey. So in other words, everybody, this is what it does for Tesla. It makes Tesla that much more valuable because the world wants to go, exactly, Ronald, the world wants to go to this EV world. And Tesla has the blueprint. It makes Tesla that much more valuable, everybody. It makes Tesla that much more valuable because they have the blueprint and everybody else wants to be just like Tesla with the blueprint. Okay? It's like big bank take little bank. That's what it's kind of like. All right? Well, anyway, everybody, listen. Y'all have a good one. I hope you guys enjoyed this session of Wealth Wednesdays live trading. Be patient, everybody. The thing is basically going up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down inside that box. Okay? The play is going to happen when it breaks outside of that box, to the upside or to the downside. Okay? It's definitely tug of war, Calvin. That's exactly what it is. Okay? Everybody, you guys have a good one. All praise to the Most High. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for our good morning stock option session. Okay? Y'all have a good one, everybody. Say bye-bye. Say right bye-bye.